In the continued weird news that keeps coming from the Epic versus Apple deposition, aka the Battle of the Tims, it looks like Walmart, of all companies, were working on a cloud gaming service back in 2019, codenamed Project Storm. Makes total sense. You go to Walmart to pick up a barrel of cake, you sign up to a cloud gaming service. This came about in the depositions as Walmart had approached Epic Games to get Fortnite on board with the cloud gaming service, which, as much as it pains me to admit, is kind of a necessary criteria for these services to get some traction. Now, as out there as the pitch sounds, taking a look at their business model, it's pretty good. They're essentially rolling the existing services like GeForce Now, Xbox Game Pass, and Stadia into one and giving players the most choice of how they want to access their games. For example, they could connect to existing game libraries and play the games they already own, very much like GeForce Now, access a subscription service like Uplay, or who knows, Walmart might have done their own kind of subscription model, or they can just pick a game they want to play and make a one-time purchase, very much like Stadia. How did this start off as a joke? But I'm sold. Am I sold? The diagram also shows that the service would run on Windows, therefore avoiding some of the porting issues we've seen previously with Stadia. This means new releases would be available without delay, developers wouldn't be required to do extra work to get the game to run on this service, and also, even if they managed to get it to run, they wouldn't be taking any hits on performance. We can also see they've stated play on any device, anywhere, which, let's face it, is a very popular pitch for most cloud gaming platforms, and for this one, it's unclear if there should be like a little asterisk that says except for iOS devices, or if Walmart were fully aware of Apple's strict App Store guidelines and were planning to go directly the browser route like we've seen with other services. I would hope that in having conversations with Epic, of all people, this might have come up. So from emails released from Epic as part of the deposition, we know that Epic's Mark Ryan, vice president and co-founder of Epic Games, tested the service and said, "I played Walmart's demo on an Android phone with an Xbox controller, and the experience felt like playing on a PS4 and superior to playing on Android or iOS." So it seems like Epic were actually sold, and Fortnite would have been front and center of this thing, with Ryan going on to say, "Walmart is open to exploring all kinds of business models, but I expect their service will be the least expensive of all of these because they're Walmart and that's their gig." However, all of this is past tense. All of this was before Epic partnered with GeForce Now last year to bring Fortnite back to iOS devices. It looks like Walmart were planning a beta launch for July 2019, but it's currently unclear if it's something they're still actively working on or how production has been impacted by the pandemic. So this one caught me by surprise this week. Let me know what you think of this one. Honestly, I think if they got the marketing right and it wasn't called something stupid like Walmart Cloud Gaming, then this could be a serious contender. A major roadblock for some people getting into cloud gaming is the ability to try it out first, but you think of the amount of foot traffic Walmart stores get, they stick this thing a demo front and center of the stores, and they could definitely convert a few people, or at least distract 11-year-olds while the parents do the shopping, so win-win. Of course, if this does still launch, it would most likely be predominantly a US-based service, but with growth could definitely go elsewhere. But yeah, with this one, any and all thoughts, let me know in those comments down below. But if you enjoyed this video, you found it somewhat helpful, a like rating would be appreciated. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next video. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and as always, I shall see you in the next one.